Hello, everybody. It is now 11:37 on Wednesday, the 1st of July. We are going to be live streaming today from school, and some of your children that you might know are also in the classroom. All right, today we're going to be doing a quiz. It's a maths quiz and an English quiz. Everyone who is in school today, who's in year 6, is also doing the quiz with you. So if you are competing, please don't write your answers in the comment section. If you write your answers in the comment section, everyone can see them and you will not be able to tell us what score you got. What you are going to do is, if you are on Class Dojo, you can Class Dojo the answers. We will go through each of the answers after this. Hi, it's me, Norenius. Okay, well done, Noreen. So hello to everybody who's at home. So that's Lorenzo, Amani. Don't know who Pedro Mendez is, but hello anyway, Pedro Mendez. I don't know who Bruv what is. Oh, I do. Yeah, it's Maureen, isn't it? Hi, Maureen. Abdullah. Is that Abdullah? No, Abdul. Dime.
Hello.
Bish.
Hello, Bish.
Tabor. You can probably hear some of the children in it. Okay, I might have to mute the children in the room because they're so annoying. But anyway, right. So Arvin, morning, and in it, bruv. Morning. Right, we're going to do this. So, year 6 quiz. If you don't get any of these answers correct, then I will have to come round to your house and throw sausages or potatoes through your windows. But I don't know who keeps shouting no. Can you stop shouting no, please? Stop shouting no. Thanks. Hi, Sophia. Hi, everybody else. Right, okay, let's do this. So, year 6. Let's go. We are doing maths first. Number. What is the answer to this question? Please don't write it. We'll go through the answers at the end. Morning, Fies. Please don't write the answers in the comment section. Number 2. Might not be number 2. Oh, hold on. Number 2. What is 80% of 250? Please don't write the answers in the comment section. Okay, question number 3. A box of chocolates costs £3.65. Alicia buys 2 boxes and pays with a £10 note. How much change does she get? Is it £7.30, £3.65, or £2.70? I can tell you all the children in 16 now are really, really working hard. And I'll be back in 1 second because I'm going to go next door and see what 6H and 6W are doing. Okay, question number 4. Just so you know, Wasim was cheating. I saw him leaning over and copying off someone else's work. Number 4. A family pack of raisins contains 25 boxes of raisins. If each box weighs 20 grams, what is the total weight of the pack? It's lovely to see how many children in school are actually doing some work instead of sat there with one colouring pencil, wishing they were at home watching Homes Under the Hammer. Okay, question number 5 is coming your way. Question number 5. A coach takes 2 hours and 50 minutes to travel from Leeds to London. If it leaves Leeds at 11:30 a.m, what time does it arrive in London? Okay, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the other classes. So this is the class that's in here now. So many beautiful children. Yeah, you're true. And without breaking the bubble. And the last lot of children. So that is all of year 6 that are in, and we're going to go back into 6E. And we're going to do question number 6. All right, question number 6. I've got a shape, space, and measure. So we are doing. I have 2 pairs of equal sides. My opposite sides are parallel. I have no right angles. What am I? Am I a rectangle? Am I a kite? Or am I a parallelogram? Hi everyone in the class. Bruv, what is saying hello? Say hello back.
Hello.
Wow, so much enthusiasm. So much enthusiasm. Okay, question number 7. How many vertices does a square-based pyramid have? Okay, question number 8. And Ian is dying to get on and ask this question. So, Ian, come and ask this question.
I didn't say anything. Angle A is 35 degrees and angle B is 95 degrees. What is the size of angle C?
Okay, I'll ask that question again in the style of Ian. Angle A is 35 degrees. Angle B is 95 degrees. What is the size of angle C in it, you know? Okay, Daffodil is going to... Oh, sorry. Binlid, whatever her name is, Lydia's going to come and read the next question, which is question number 9. And question number 9 is...
How many grams is there in 1.8 kilograms? 180, 1,080 or 1,800?
Well done, Lydia.
It's been Lyd if you know when you want to call me.
Wow, awkward. Please don't write your answers in the chat. That's not what this is about. This is about you testing your own understanding. Please don't write them in, otherwise I will block you from writing the answers. Thank you. Right, this is your last warning. Please don't write the answers in. That's not what this is about. Okay, next person who's going to come up and read is Jagir. Jags is doing question number 10.
You're standing at position -1 and -4 on a grid. You move one step south, down. What position are you standing at now?
Okay, I'll read that again because I think Jagir has forgotten how to read while she's been in lockdown. So you're standing at position -1, -4 on a grid. You move one step south, which is down. What position are you now standing at? -1, -5, -1, -3, or -2, -4? Hello, again, it's now time for the next question. Data handling. The person who's going to come up and read this question is called Simon. Simon, come to the front and read this question for me. We may need a translator.
22 children were asked whether they walked to school. 11 children said yes. What fraction of the pie chart would be taken up by the yes segment? 1/4, 1/3, or 1/2?
Well done, Simon. We didn't need a translator after all. Next up to read a question is Abdullah.
Which of these would be the best at showing how the temperature of a pie changes over time when it is put in the oven? Pie chart, line graph, bar chart.
So, which of these would be best at showing the temperature of a pie changes over time when it's put in the oven? A pie chart, a line graph, or a bar chart? You should all know this because we did it over the last few days. Okay, question number 13. Oh, computer says no. Assam took 7 maths tests and got a score of 68, 71, 71, 84, 53, 62, and 67. What was Assam's mode score? What was his mode score? Okay, next person to come and read a question is Umar. Round of applause for Umar. Wow, well, that was pitiful. Right, Umar, read this question for me.
5 children have heights of 138 centimeters, 135 centimeters, 140 centimeters, 139 centimeters, and 141 centimeters. What is the range of their heights?
Well done, Umar. So, 5 children have height of 138, 135, 140, 139, 141 centimetres. What is the range of their heights? Okay, next to read a question is Nadia Komenich, gymnast extraordinaire.
The best, scored a perfect 10 all round.
You know this, don't you? I've been calling you all year. All right, Nadia.
What is the probability of getting
Heads.
when you toss a coin?
What's the probability of getting heads when you toss a coin? Is it 1, 0.5 or 0.2? Next question, question 16 is... Oh, sorry, no, we're doing the answers. The answers, are you ready?
Yeah.
Everybody ready to mark them? Let's just go next door and see if everybody next door is ready to mark them.
No, you stay here and don't swing from the chandeliers.
Let's go.
Yes, you can go to the toilet.
Wow.
Is everyone ready to mark these in this class?
Yes.
What? Just doing a live lesson. Is everyone in this class ready to mark them?
No, so we're way behind.
Oh, way behind, way behind. Right, let's go back to class. Okay, we're gonna mark these right now. Nice that I'm keeping some children up in the class. All right, so add together 25, 6 and 3.1 and it gives you the answer of 34.1. Question number 2. What is 80% of 250? So 80% of 250 is 200. And we work that out by dividing it by 5 and timesing it by 4. Well done, everybody. Question number 3. A box of chocolates costs £3.65. Alicia buys 2 boxes and pays with a £10 note. How much change does she get? Well, £3.65 plus £3.65 come to £7.30. £7.30. Take £10 take away £7.30 gives us £2.70. Question number 4. A family pack of raisins contains 25 boxes of raisins. If each box weighs 20 grams, what is the total weight of the pack? 25 times 20 grams is 500 grams. Number 5. A coach takes 2 hours 50 minutes to travel from Leeds to London. If it leaves Leeds at 11:30 a.m, what time does it arrive in London? It arrives at 2:20 or 14:20 or 20 past 2. And we do this by adding the 2 hours, then adding the 50 minutes. 2 hours takes us to 1:30 and 50 minutes takes us to 2:20. Number 5 is done. Number 6. I have 2 pairs of equal sides. My opposite sides are parallel. I have no right angles. What am I? Well, a rectangle has 4 right angles. A kite has not got any parallel sides, and a parallelogram has no right angles but parallel sides. Parallelogram is the right answer. Number 7. How many vertices does a square-based pyramid have? Well, a vertices is where 2 lines meet at a point. There are 4 around the base and 1 at the point, which means there are 5. Ian had 6. Oh. Okay, question number 8. Angle A is 35, angle B is 95. What is the size of angle C? It is 50. And we know that because the angles of a triangle all add up to 180. So 180 minus 35 minus 95 gives us the answer of 50. Question number 9. How many grams are there in 1.8 kilograms? We times 1.8 by 1,000, and it gives us the answer of 1,800 or 1,800. Kilo means 1,000. Number 10. You are standing at position -1, -4 on a grid. You move 1 step south, brackets down. What position are you standing at now? Well, the -1 represents the x-axis and the -4 represents the y-axis. So the x is horizontal, the y is vertical. We are going vertically down, so only the second number changes. So -1, -5 is the answer. Question number 11. 22 children were asked whether they walked to school. 11 children said yes. What fraction of a pie chart would be taken up by the yes segment? Okay, well, 11 is half of 22, so 1/2 of our pie chart would be taken up by our answer. Number 12. Which of these would best show how the temperature of a pie changes over time when it is put in the oven? If you put pie chart, probably pie in the question through you. It is a line graph. A line graph tells us changes over time. So if in the question it says over time, it's going to be a line graph. Number 13. Assam took 7 math tests and got scores of 68, 71, 71, 84, 53 and 62 and 67. What was Assam's mode score? We put the numbers in numerical order and we look at the middle number, and it was 71. Number 14. 5 children of heights of 138, 135, 140, 139 and 141 centimetres. What is the range of their heights? We look at the lowest number, and the lowest number was 135 centimetres, and the highest number, which is 141 centimetres. 141 take away 135 gives us 6 centimetres. Okay, last question, which is question number 15, is what is the probability of getting heads when you toss a coin? The probability of getting heads when you toss a coin is 0.5. There are 2 sides to a coin. There is only 1 toss, and it is 0.5. 1 is half of 2. Okay, what I want you to do is post your score out of 15 in the chat box. We will come online again tomorrow at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. tomorrow, and we will do another test, but it will be on English.
Tomorrow we've got Step Festival, virtual.
Okay, we won't be doing it at 10 a.m. tomorrow. We'll be doing it at 1 p.m. tomorrow. So come online tomorrow at 1 p.m. We will have another quiz and see how you can do on that. Thank you all for getting involved. Everyone in the classroom is about to say goodbye to you now.
Bye.
Wow, that's enough to scare you away from a fire. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Take care of yourselves.